Hey, if you want to synchronize your Apple Watch Series 10 with your iPhone, then it's actually quite simple. And all you have to do is just to start by using your iPhone and go into the settings. You will have to be sure that you enable the Bluetooth and you are currently connected with your Apple Watch. Also, you have to do the same on your Apple Watch. You will have to be sure that you enabled the Bluetooth. So go to the settings and you will have to start from this screen. So go into the Bluetooth and simply check if the Bluetooth is turned on. There is the switcher. If you are using Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi synchronization, so also you have to be sure that on your iPhone you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to the different Wi-Fi network on your Apple Watch, so be sure that you are right now connected and the Wi-Fi is actually turned on. Now also remember to turn off modes like the focus mode or the do not disturb mode, so you can access them by going right here. There's the cinema mode and the do not disturb mode, and also the airplane mode. Be sure that you switch this off. And now you will have to just put your Apple Watch on the charger. There we go. Charge this for like 5 to 10 minutes, and after you finish this, you will have to simply reboot your watch by clicking here. You will have to set to power, then simply power off, and then you will have to turn it on. And now you will synchronize your Apple Watch with your iPhone. Thanks for watching.